Exodus continues. It's not even raining. God. Don't know what the hell that is, but it's cool. I think they call it the beatbox. I'll tell you more about it later. There's Eton Manor. Just about it. There we go. That's where we'll be for most of the day. And the BMX track is in shot there. Want to go and see that. Le Velodrome. Want to go and see that. And then that's all the rest of the park over there. I'm finally vlogging in peace. I'm kind of about 10 feet away from everyone else. So, just got my picture with Mendable. I'll put a picture of that in here. We've got tickets for the wheelchair tennis, and by all accounts the seats are supposed to be really good, so I'll get a couple of shots in there as well. It's getting hard to vlog because nobody wants me around them when I'm vlogging, so... But I don't know, I might sneak away for a while. I want to go and visit a few places like the BMX track and so on. So, anyway, stay tuned YouTube. It's long before. So I'm just out from the first match of the wheelchair tennis. It's about 45 minutes long, and the Netherlands and Nigeria were playing. It was really cool. Like most of the 95% of the serves got between 100 and 140 kilometers an hour, and like they can. I was speaking to a wheelchair tennis player last time I was in Birmingham, and she said like the chairs can get up to 80 kilometers an hour, like going back and forth on the court, and they're really maneuverable as well, which I suppose obviously helps. But you know, I don't know what my battery is doing, so I'm kind of going to try and make this vlog and see what I can get later on today. I think there's plans to go to the five-a-side visually impaired soccer, and I think Jackie and Helen are going to cycling as well. And then there's a few other sports. I'm just kind of going to make it up as I go along. So I think England and someone else are playing in this match that you can't get in between matches. So anyway, hope everyone's well. Weather's pretty okay. It's very overcast, but it's warm. Like it's about 24, 25 degrees, and it's bright as well. So I have my sunglasses on. I think there's a high UV index. Anyway, logo, just because I thought it was cool, and it looks nice with the purple background. Anyway, Oh, there's lots of volunteers around as well. Every second or third person I've seen is a volunteer for the event, and they're all really helpful as well. And there's another Spots vs Stripes crew here as well. They're some UK crew. Might catch up with them later. So that's about it. We've the whole day to kind of tour around the place. So I'm going to try and do that. And battery permitting, I'll take you as well. Anyway, go from Margaret. I'll be slung full.
The single point. After substitutions, Kenzie and conas. Sorry?